So finally, after a long time, Free Fire has made its comeback with a new name, Free Fire India. So in this video, I'll show you the process to download this game officially from the Play Store. The process for installation is almost the same for a PC and a mobile. So, to install Free Fire India on your PC, first download and install BlueStacks 5. It's nothing but an Android emulator that will help you run Android games on your PC. From here, all you have to do is head to the Play Store and search up Free Fire India. You may see an option to register for the game rather than to install it. This is because it's an early access for many players, so just hit on register and it will automatically be downloaded to your device once it's available. And I'll recommend you not to install this game from third-party or fake sources, because these aren't verified and can seriously damage your device with all sorts of viruses and malware. So, that was all for this video, and do let me know whom you support more in BGMI versus Free Fire.